Alright, so sundown is fucking pretty soon. Which kind of sucks, but let's try this. See what we get. As you can see, there's a massive rock fall here. I'm trying not to hit anything. Need to go around. I haven't decided if I like the rock slide yet. I think I much would rather it didn't happen. But kind of scary, eh? Mother Earth. I think she can do pretty massive. Okay. Let's try this. Be really careful on this stuff. I don't know. No, there's no way people would have brought gravel up here. You look at it. It's not actually too steep. Really loud. Really cool. You can feel the temperature change almost right away. There's like a giant fucking rainbow should be sitting in there. This was actually closer to the part where I remember going last year by slip. Pretty sure these boots are good for being covered on that. Ooh, not when it's algae though. So I brought my bike up here last year. Fucking, as you can see, fucking gorgeous. I can go right up to the waterfall. Still have my waterproof casing on the back here. Pretty magnificent, no? Yeah, and then I just make my way up along here. I would say wish me luck, because it's eminent that I'm doing it. Doesn't even look too bad. Only danger is not having, how would you get the voice? Not having a harness. Huge thing. And this is really weird rock. Like you really can't make a wrong move. I don't actually know. See, once it goes into the crannies and stuff, it's just about being knowing where to take your holds. Oh, I don't know what to do. Anyways, I was gonna say. No, never mind. Never mind. This free climbing thing is a lot of fun if you can grasp what you're doing. So, kind of getting busy. Different people coming up now. Those you idiot. Well, whoever had fucking slushes, fucking left your mess there. Ooh, it's pretty. Again, not having a harness, massive setback, but as you can probably maybe see, there's actually kind of a gateway that I don't know how long ago this slide happened necessarily, but definitely quite a while ago. Some of the people have been up there. It makes me think that where the fuck have I been for the last fucking 80 years? Well, mainly focusing on biking and whatnot, but you know how it goes. Without a harness, you are pretty much dead. Just kidding. I don't think it should be that bad. Like one rock goes away, and you are toasted. So I don't really like kind of throw what's up here, but then there's people down there, and just keep on going. Keep on trekking. Don't stop for anything. But you want to be really careful. See, this is life and death stuff right now. I have an audience too. It's kind of. Maybe there's like. Fuck. We should not maybe go there. Because there will be rocks falling down. Sorry, guys. I came here to play. Let's turn around. Let me check. Gloves very handy. That's your mechanism, especially I'm finding that these biking gloves are working really well. I just found myself a little peek here. Have a smoke. What the hell are you trying? I wouldn't recommend it. They're trying to come up here and fucking flip flop these. And I get to that point there, but as you can see, there's a clear cut, which is 100% in my opinion to improve. See, and another thing, I don't really want to go there anymore. I'm just gonna keep the forward momentum going. This is fucking pretty and really. It's pretty scary knowing you don't have a harness. You see? But you kind of little grips like that. That kind of helps, but if I can make it to that rock, I will seriously be very happy. So you gotta remember that there's about 100,000 different rocks, whoops, that could just, without warning, give away. But once I've found that, whoa, that's a bit too much. Yeah, we're just gonna sit down. I just remember having my helmet. Alright, I'm gonna have a smoke because this shit is fucking stressful and fun. Adrenaline journey. Peace out.